Hey, Merry Christmas, everyone. So I got this one thing here with a bow, and kind of get these things as a Christmas gift, and gonna get one for myself, one for a couple other friends and family. So I'm not too sure what to expect from these boxes. If there's going to be an autograph or a jersey, but there should definitely be some numbered cards. There's something there, like an insert. Oh, that's that's like a die cut. That's a die cut. That's probably just a regular insert. They have like regular inserts, and they have numbered inserts. Yeah, and that's probably going to be a numbered one too, the die cut.
Number 356. Is that right? Outside.
So there's like a die cut. That's going to be from Todd's box.
Is it 356?
Well, that's going to be the card number in the set.
There's a Sauce Gardner.
Yeah, that's just
It's a regular.
probably the regular thing there. Sometimes they have the colored parallels.
Okay.
So there's Hassan Hoskins, Tank Billsley. It's kind of like a refractor or something. Jackson Smith. Vivian Wicks. Chantel Leonard. There's Quay Walker. Jalen Rieger. Travis Kelsey. Calvin Ridley. Baker Mayfield. Katie Jackson. Jalen Ramsey. Trey Greenlaw. T. Higgins. Jeffrey Simmons. Hayden Hutchinson. Who's that? It's going to be, the Bijan Robinson, the Whiteout rookies insert. And then that's going to be, the Sam Laporta, yeah. He's a red hot rookie. Zach Harrison. Tank Bigsby. Patrick Peterson. I mean, sometimes it's like, okay, they got traded or signed with a new team, and then they have them with like the old jersey from the old team. So that's sometimes like, okay, when do they always release these things? Chubb Hubbard, Jason Kelsey, Jake Ferguson, yep. And then Jawan Johnson, Albert. Yeah, I'm not going to try that name. What do you think? How would you pronounce that name? Last name?
Okawagabum. Bunum.
Curtis.
Okawagabunum.
Bonjami. Curtis Samuel.
Yeah, keep with the
That's Austin Eckler. Saquon Barkley.
Derek Carr, Saints.
Matt Judon. Desmond Ritter. Jermar Jefferson. So these are like the inducted maybe pro, the Hall of Fame. Darrell Revis.
Jack Campbell.
And then we got Dorian Thompson Robinson. Cam Smith, that's gonna be a Raider rookie. Sky Moore. Joe Burrow. Davis Mills. Oh yeah, so he's gonna be a Steeler, yeah. So yeah. There's Tony Pollard. That's I'll give you that.
All right.
Jalen Phillips. James Conner.
Trevor.
Jordan Fuller. Odell Beckham Jr. Yeah, good catch today. David Joko. You'd be joking.
Yeah,
Jimmy Garoppolo. See, he's with the Raiders. And the other person is not with the same team or whatever. So they have like the Niners jersey there. Juju Smith-Schuster. DeMar Hamlin.
Deontay Johnson again. Another
Yeah. Lucas Van Ness. It was a Green Iron Keen's Jalen Hurts. Israel. Yeah, okay, that's good enough. DeMarcus Lawrence.
Hey.
There you
Let's go.
go. Rodney Thomas the second.
Hey, John playing.
Preston Smith. Harrison Smith.
Isn't he a singer?
Santi Samuel. Geno Smith. I'm getting into the Smiths. Geno Smith. Harrison Smith. Preston Smith. So how many Smith and Smith? It's like a law firm. Antoine Winfield Jr. Got there Khalil Herbert.
Highsmith. Another Steelers. About 4 Steelers, actually.
Jameson Williamson. So that probably means I'll get another Cowboy for you.
I got a Smith. Tyler Smith for the Cowboys.
Debo Samuel. And let's see, what's Logan Wilson. So let's see, got two more of these packs. Oh, a bomb squad. So it's like a insert. Okay, yeah, that's gonna be probably a numbered card. Should be. But Hendon Hooker,
Isn't that, what's his name, the quarterback now?
he probably is a quarterback, but
That's not,
that's not anybody.
if the Lions was
Lions, yeah. So, I guess they're not numbered. I'm expecting something numbered, but usually seems like that's what the hobby's now having. It's like you got like some numbered inserts, usually got a different color, different sparkle, or whatever. So let's see, Gabriel Davis, Dawson Knox. You got the Kyle Duggar, Jacoby Myers, Michael Thomas, J.K. Dobbins, Kyron Williams, Zach Ertz, T.J. Watt.
Oh, it hurts.
Okay, yeah, here's another combo for you. Trayvon Diggs,
Oh, there you go. Jefferson. Special ones.
Desmond King. You got there Chris Jones. Got there Max Duggan. Rookie. He might be the quarterback now. Deontay Banks. Nice. Oh! So I got a signature there. Trey Tucker from the
Oh, nice.
Raiders. So you can get a signature.
Oh, sweet.
Yeah. I gotta see what this guy does or is he, on the same team. Fred Warner. And then you got Kirby Joseph. Drake London. Nick Folk. Christian Kirk. Not Captain Kirk. Derek Forrest Jr. And De'Aaron Payne. Justin Simmons. And you got Zaire Franklin. And we got another cowboy for you, Leighton Vander Esch.
Yeah, wait. It's on the sidelines.
Quez Watkins. I think that's how you pronounce it. DJ Chark Jr. Yaya Diaby. The rated rookie. And then there's Tyree Wilson from the Raiders, a rookie revolution. Just a regular insert. And like a red Hassan Haskins. And let's see here. Just probably give me a numbered parallel there. So that's what I got. So, anyhow, hopefully, if you get a box of cards for Christmas, and make it a good one. And we'll see you next time.